Parents who are divorced or legally separated have a whole new layer of challenges when it comes to claiming children on their tax returns. In addition to the ins and outs of child custody, tax benefits are also at stake. In general, the parent who lived with the child most during the year, also known as the custodial parent, can claim the child as a dependent on their tax return. But there are situations where the non-custodial parent is allowed to claim the dependent in order to qualify for the child tax credit or credit for other dependents. When this occurs, the custodial parent must sign a form stating they won't claim the child as a dependent, and the non-custodial parent must include a copy of the signed declaration with their tax return. The custodial parent can still claim the child for the Earned Income Tax Credit, Head of Household Filing Status, and the Dependent Care Credit. The non-custodial parent is not allowed to use these tax benefits. So what happens if the child spent the exact number of nights with each parent during the year? Well, in this case, the custodial parent would be the parent with the higher adjusted gross income. If there's any doubt about who will claim the child, it's best to communicate with the other parent before you file.